Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense, dark forest, lived a small bombardier beetle named Blaze. Blaze was not an ordinary beetle. He had the unique ability to shoot a hot, scalding spray from his hind end whenever he was threatened. One day, Blaze found himself near a bush that was ablaze with fire. He felt a sudden fear, as the heat from the flames was unbearable. The bush was so hot that it seemed to be boiling, and Blaze knew he had to act fast. He remembered a tale his grandfather had told him about a similar situation. When in danger, Blaze, his grandfather had said, "Use your unique ability to protect yourself, but remember, use it wisely." With a deep breath, Blaze aimed his back towards the flames and unleashed his fiery spray. The spray hit the burning bush, and the blaze was momentarily extinguished. But Blaze was not safe yet. The bush, now fueled by his own spray, ignited again, burning even hotter than before. Blaze knew he had to be clever to escape. He remembered another piece of advice from his grandfather: in times of trouble, think before you act. With a swift move, Blaze turned his body, using the heat from the fire to propel himself away from danger. He landed on a nearby leaf, watching as the bush continued to burn. The moral of the story is clear: in times of danger, we must use our abilities wisely and think before we act. Blaze learned that while his unique ability could protect him, it could also harm him if not used with caution. So, remember, just like Blaze, we all have our unique abilities, but we must use them wisely and think before we act. For in our actions, we shape our fate.